Meaning of gold medal.
Gold medal.
Gold medal.
Gold medal.
Gold medal. A gold medal is a symbol of achievement awarded to the winner of a competition or event. It is usually made of gold or gold-plated materials and is considered the highest honor in various fields such as sports, academics, and the arts. Winning a gold medal requires exceptional skill, talent, and hard work, with competitors striving to be the best in their respective fields. Receiving a gold medal is often accompanied by fame and recognition, signifying a significant accomplishment in an individual's career or life.